Allah Akbar, brothers and sisters. Today we gather in remembrance of fallen comrades and community efforts. As we as an establishment attempt to redeem what was once lost, we take what they have. Basically what I'm trying to say is this is an open invitation for gang war. What is his name again? Yaqub or something? Right. That's right. Look, just go deliver the package to the intended target and don't be seen.
Hey guy, I think there's a VHS upstairs with your name on it.
Hey, if you don't like me because of the past, that's fine. I don't expect you to forgive me for being awful. But pressuring me to delete my channel because you don't like seeing me around is entirely selfish. I make important videos about important things that might not have been public if I didn't make them.
Ah yes, the special syndrome specimen shows us the importance of publicizing child predation cases to general audiences so you can live in fairyland where the birds don't chirp, and the roosters don't wake you up early in the mornings. All for the sake of stress relief and enthralling tales of erotic child photo competitions. If you know what the business I'm selling is, my nigga. Apparently Goat Cat Toe saw my video about her. Real interesting stuff, I know. If this was like 2 or 3 years ago they might have actually responded or something. Now all these our commentators do is soak in irony and children every hour of the day. Not like the video was ever gonna be taken seriously or whatever. Maybe to some, maybe. But it's not like that's why I'm here. That's all as stale as my anal cavity and only survives because of how slimy it actually all is. A fitting name for a faggot such as yourself. So Monkey, what do you think about my usage of time? Yeah, I think he has a point about that.
And suddenly there was with the angel a multitude of the heavenly host praising God, and saying, Glory to God in the highest, and on earth peace, goodwill toward men.
And that's why you should never drink and drive while a woman is inside the vehicle device.
I hope you realize I'm never letting you drive again.
While I may have miscalculated my mechanical plot for vehicular manslaughter, I assure you brother I have many ideas brewing deep with the mind. The only reassurance you need is the magic split, brother.
Keep in mind when becoming a commentator nowadays you have to be aware you are inherently claiming you have some insight worth sharing to the world, almost like a visionary recounting their experiences in life. It's either that or meaningless slop consumed by only the most retarded individuals known to man. YouTube is just a vehicle for whatever they can shit out and not anything actually important or meaningful. And it's what people want to. YouTube also acts as a stimulation chamber for so many young artists, and it's saddening really. Hell, I know there's some in my audience and it's like it doesn't even register in your head, and I just don't get that. Like, what kind of deluded man-child thinks of his videos as gospel? What kind of insanity do you have to suffer through in order to come to the conclusion that YouTube videos about pedophiles would do something? At the end of the day you enjoy the utter futility that is talking to the Down syndrome art commentators. It sounds like a very thrilling tale.
Was hopping out that black van. Them hard times had a nigga in all black. Robbing like I was Batman. Heard he sitting on the pack. Bleed him like a Tampax. Run up in his pad, nigga spears getting ramshacked. Last pill I took went on a bad trip. But the man from my dark past will leave you in the past tense. Spot off a crack spit. We copping crash whips. Way to work wet, let it dry on the napkin. Chauncey want a bill of Chucky want a Atkins. Cuddy doing $20 bill. Swiping on the platinum MasterCard.